We can do anything when we all do something. I started Stasher because I wanted to eliminate plastic waste. This was something that was directly related to the fact that I wanted my kids to have a brighter future.
When you throw things away, they don't actually go away. They go to landfill, they end up in the ocean, they still end up in our environment. I think it can be overwhelming, but I'd say the goal isn't perfection. It's just start with one thing. Start small.
Small changes.
Just pick one thing at a time and pick the thing that interests you the most or feels exciting or feels fun.
Save what matters. I think the beautiful thing about it is that it can mean so many different things to so many different people. I'm personally trying to save all of the plastic that's entering our waste stream.
Preserving what we have today for future generations to come.
Saving what matters is saving food because it's essential to life.
I'm saving the future for my kids, helping you save the future for your kids.
I'm saving the animals. I think one of the beautiful things about life and about this earth is that everything's connected. It's connected in tiny little ways, and we need it all.
When we all work together,
Amazing things happen.
Amazing things happen.
Amazing things happen.
we want Stasher to be more accessible. We're giving 100,000 bags away this year to eliminate 25 million single-use plastic bags and containers. That's impact. One of the other cool things that you can do is go to stasherbag.com/savewhatmatters and sign up for a beach cleanup. We're working with NGOs like Surfrider. That's all they do, is to try to inspire other people to be more proactive about protecting our nature. You can also sign up for the Plastic Free Challenge, or we can help you organize a cleanup within your own community. All it takes is one
good call.
One day at a time.
We all have something to give.
To save.
To protect.
We all have our reasons, and they all count.
We can all save what matters.
Save what matters.
Save what matters.